Nature meets design, exploring stunning mountain architecture. Introduction: the intersection of nature and design. Welcome to our channel, Nookup YouTube channel, where we delve into the captivating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, Nature Meets Design, exploring stunning mountain architecture, we will embark on a journey to discover how architectural creativity harmonizes with the breathtaking beauty of mountain landscapes. From rustic cabins to modern retreats, these designs not only elevate living spaces but also enhance our connection to nature. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your thoughts. Let's dive into the remarkable world of mountain architecture. Harmony with the landscape. Mountain architecture is characterized by its ability to blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Architects draw inspiration from the natural elements present in mountainous regions, utilizing materials such as stone, wood, and glass to create homes that resonate with their surroundings. This integration not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the homes but also promotes sustainability by minimizing disruption to the local ecosystem. In this segment, we will explore various design strategies that architects employ to achieve this harmony, showcasing stunning examples that epitomize this philosophy. Innovative use of materials. One of the hallmarks of mountain architecture is the innovative use of materials that reflect the local landscape. Timber frames, stone facades, and large glass windows are commonly used to create homes that feel both robust and inviting. These materials not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to the structural integrity of the homes, allowing them to withstand the elements. We will discuss how architects select materials that are not only beautiful but also functional, ensuring that the homes can endure the harsh mountain climate while providing comfort to their inhabitants. Maximizing views and natural light. A key feature of stunning mountain homes is their ability to maximize views and natural light. Architects strategically position windows and open living spaces to capture breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding landscape. This design choice not only enhances the interior ambience but also fosters a deeper connection between residents and nature. In this section, we will showcase various mountain homes that excel in this aspect, highlighting innovative window designs, expansive decks, and open floor plans that invite the outdoors in. Sustainable practices in mountain architecture. Sustainability is a vital consideration in modern mountain architecture. As the demand for eco-friendly living spaces increases, architects are implementing sustainable practices that reduce the environmental impact of construction and habitation. From using renewable energy sources to incorporating green roofs and efficient insulation, these homes are designed with both the environment and the well-being of their occupants in mind. We will explore some of the most innovative sustainable features found in mountain homes and how they contribute to a healthier planet. Indoor-outdoor living spaces. The concept of indoor-outdoor living is particularly prominent in mountain architecture. Homes are designed to blur the lines between interior and exterior spaces, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while remaining comfortable indoors. Features such as sliding glass doors, outdoor patios, and integrated gardens create seamless transitions that enhance the living experience. In this segment, we will highlight several mountain homes that exemplify this design philosophy, showcasing how these spaces encourage outdoor activities and relaxation. Cultural influences on mountain design. Mountain architecture is often influenced by the cultural heritage of the region. Local traditions, building techniques, and historical styles play a significant role in shaping the design of mountain homes. In this section, we will explore various architectural styles that have emerged from different mountain regions around the world, showcasing how cultural influences enrich the diversity of mountain architecture. By understanding these influences, we can appreciate the unique character that each design brings to the landscape. Community and connection. Mountain architecture is not just about individual homes, it also reflects a sense of community and connection among residents. Many mountain developments are designed with communal spaces that encourage social interaction and foster a sense of belonging. In this part of the video, we will discuss how architects create these communal areas, from shared gardens to community centers, and how they contribute to a vibrant mountain lifestyle. Future trends in mountain architecture. As we look to the future, mountain architecture continues to evolve with new trends and technologies. From smart home features to innovative construction techniques, architects are exploring new ways to enhance the living experience in mountain homes. We will discuss some of the exciting trends shaping the future of mountain architecture, including the integration of advanced technologies and a greater emphasis on sustainable practices that align with the needs of modern living. Conclusion: celebrating the beauty of mountain architecture. In conclusion, mountain architecture represents a remarkable intersection of nature and design, offering stunning homes that inspire adventure and a deeper connection to the environment. As we've explored, these homes are not only aesthetically pleasing but also thoughtfully designed to embrace sustainability, community, and cultural heritage. We hope this journey through the world of mountain architecture has inspired you as much as it has us. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite aspect.